My name's Kelso. I'm from 310 Sign, and today we're going to look at solar-powered message boards versus fuel-based message. My name's Kelso from 310 Sign. I have no idea what I'm talking about. Now I want to talk about the benefits and the drawbacks of solar-powered light towers versus gas-powered. So let's get into it. This one doesn't seem like it's very much fun. We've noticed a huge difference in efficiencies, lower maintenance, and of course, just less parts breaking down.
Easy. You're not going to get it started that way.
Really, the only thing that can go wrong with these is batteries, solar panels, and everything else is relatively simple. The bulbs last a really long time as LED bulbs, and the batteries themselves have fewer moving parts. Whereas if you're using a fuel-based light tower, you're going to have oil changes, oil filters, obviously topping them up with fuel. Then you've got a lot of moving parts to go wrong. So the maintenance costs for a solar-powered light tower are significantly cheaper. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, the verdict is out. Overall, light towers are taking over, and we are seeing a lot more solar-powered light towers than fuel. There's just better equipment, better ways of doing things, and solar-powered light towers are definitely the way of the future.
Where we're going, we don't need roads.
If you're looking for any help on buying and want to look at all the different models and availability options, give us a call at 310 Sign or visit our website at trafficsupply.ca.